friend, and welcome to my channel. Let's draw the numbers together. Are you ready? Let's start. Draw the number 1 with a diagonal line, another diagonal line, a horizontal line, a vertical one, a horizontal line, a vertical one, and a diagonal line. Draw number 2 with a diagonal line, an inverted U-shaped line, a diagonal line, a vertical line, a horizontal line, a vertical line, a horizontal line, a diagonal line, and an inverted U-shaped line. Draw number 3 with a diagonal line, an inverted U-shaped line, a vertical line, an inverted U-shaped line, a diagonal line, and 2 semicircles. Now draw number 4 with a diagonal line, a vertical one, a horizontal line, a vertical line, a horizontal line, a vertical one, a small horizontal line, a vertical one, a small horizontal line, a vertical line, and a horizontal line. Then draw a triangle on the inside. Wow! Our design is starting to take shape. Draw number 5 with a vertical line, a line shaped like an upside down letter U, a diagonal line, a line shaped like an upside down letter U, a vertical line, a horizontal line, a vertical line, and another horizontal one. Now draw number 6 with a diagonal line, a curved line, a semicircle, a curved line, then draw a circle inside it. Draw number 7 with a vertical line, horizontal line, a curved line, horizontal line, a curved line, a vertical line, and complete the drawing with a horizontal line. Now draw number 8 with 2 semicircles and 2 circles inside it. Draw number 9 with a semicircle, a curved line, a diagonal line, another curved line, then draw a circle inside it. Finally, draw number 0 with a large oval and a smaller one inside it. Wow! Our numbers turned out great! Good job! Now let's take the colors. Use red for number 1, Use pink for number 2. Use yellow for number 3. Color number 4 with orange. Use green for number 5. Use light green for number 6. Use teal for number 7. Color number 8 with light blue. Use blue for number 9. And color number 0 with purple. Excellent! Our numbers are very colorful and now you can learn how to count. And now let's repeat the numbers together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. Good job! Goodbye friends, see you soon!